Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com, fresh arrival 1971 Chevy Chevelle. That's right, big block, 396. Paired up with a nice mild cam, Serpentine belt setup, upgraded aluminum heads, headers for more performance. I mean, this thing is just beastie. 4-barrel carburetor. It's got a TH400 transmission that shifts absolutely great. Just got done driving it. What a great car. We're going to get up and close on this one. SS steering wheel with tilt, staple shifter, radio, 12-volt rear end with a Posi 411, gear in the back, power front disc brakes. Just built for some running. Cranberry with the black painted on stripe. I think it was done about 7-8 years ago with less than 2,500 miles totally on it. Body's nice and straight. Couple imperfections that I saw, but nothing of major. We'll go through it. All the glass is good all the way around. All your gauges are working the way they should, as well as your wipers and lights and turn signals. Everything is working proper. I just wanted to leave one thing out, and now I'm going to give it to you. This car has a vintage air system in it as well. Got the SS wheels on there. Your front chrome bumpers in great shape. All your lights and grills the way it should be. Cowl inducted hood that's functioning properly. Car lines up good on the hood, but it's off a little bit. On this side, probably gonna need a shim or something, so when they redid it, they didn't do it the way, they missed a shim a little bit off, but it's fine. You can just see it's off a tiny bit. As you get off, it's about 6 feet off. Front fender, good shape. One tiny little chip. Lines up the way it should, all the way down. Rear quarter the same. Another little chip in there. That's just a bug. All your glass is good all the way around. All your chrome stripping. Rear bumper in good shape. Trunk lines up well. Passenger quarter in good shape. Lines up to the door well. All the way throughout. Thing runs out super strong, pulls great, lays the tires down, brakes the way it should, handles, no crazy noises. I just got done driving it. Love it. I think I'm going to take it home for the weekend. That's how well she drives. And the air conditioning pumps. Alright, so you got 6x9s in the back. A little trim here that's falling. I'm going to fix it, just so you know. Back seats in good shape. Front seats as well. Seat belts intact. All original welds. Nicely done. Upgraded dashboard. Kick panel speakers in the side as well. All your carpets are good. Tilt steering wheel. Nicely done. Let's pop open this hood. your hoses and belts, excellent condition. There's only 2,500 miles on this car. There's one pulley I gotta fix, power steering, it's flopping a little bit. I'll get that taken care of. If you're looking to do some financing with us, you've got a score anywhere from a 639 to a 739, go directly to my website, which is mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, 10% down up to 84 months, good rates. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, 24-hour approval, up to 84 months with good rates as well. We've got over 120 cars in stock, all descriptions, video, photos, pricing online. We ship all over the United States, enclosed and open. Please call me with any questions on our cars or text me and I will get you quotes on shipping. You could reach me at 773-600-0919. That's 773-600-0919. We are in Addison, Illinois. We are open from 9 a.m. Monday through Friday till 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 till 2. By appointment only. Call me or text me. I'll get you in with an appointment with the cars at 773-600-0919. Thanks for checking out this 1971 Street Machine Beast. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook, MGM Classic Cars, or Tri-State Auto Wholesalers. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.